Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's tapping is all about tapping for the avoidant attachment style. So I got this request on my YouTube channel. I wasn't sure if she meant experiencing a relationship with an avoidant or if she's avoidant herself. So I just assume that she's talking about herself because, again, this work is really not about anybody else. It's about you. So if you have an avoidant attachment style and you feel like you're always running away from relationships, from love, if you feel like you get terrified when you feel that closeness with your partner, I think this is going to be the perfect tapping for you to remind your body that it's safe to experience relationships. It's safe to experience intimacy and closeness, and it's safe to experience love. Love is a beautiful thing. And you know what's interesting is the anxious attached and the avoidant attached usually find themselves, and at the root of it, both of them are just afraid of abandonment. Both of them are afraid of rejection. Whenever you're ready, we're just gonna go straight to the eyebrow point. So let's go. I've been detached from myself for a long time. Detached from my body. Detached from my emotions. Detached from who I truly am. I don't trust myself. And because of that, it's really hard for me to trust others. It's hard for me to depend on others. I don't want to get too close because I'm scared. I keep my distance to protect myself. I love independence. I need my space. And being with a partner makes me feel suffocated sometimes. It makes me feel uncomfortable. Being too close makes me feel uneasy. I acknowledge this part of me. Even though I'm afraid to open myself up to love, I love and accept myself anyway. I'm learning to feel safe to feel my emotions. I'm learning that being vulnerable is a good thing. I want closeness, but I fear it. I choose to be gentle with myself through this. I'm capable of giving love. I'm capable of receiving love. And even though there's still some mixed feelings and fears about it, sometimes I want to be close. Sometimes I want to run away. I embrace all parts of me. I choose to be patient and kind with myself. And I'm learning to create a sense of safety within myself. All right, deep breath in. Let it go. My gosh, I've been tapping all day. And I need to drink water because I'm getting like blurry vision. But anyway, if you are tapping a lot, do not worry about if you cry, If you feel nauseous, if you feel thirsty, kind of like I'm squinting right now because I can't even see myself in the monitor here. Um, because tapping moves a lot of energy, like a lot of energy. That's why I'm probably gonna take a nap after this. And that happens. Like you get really tired. It's because your body is rewiring, like your cells are restructuring. You're literally programming, deprogramming, and reprogramming beliefs. So be gentle with yourself. I always get comments on my TikTok of people saying, "Was I supposed to cry?" And I'm like, yeah, you were. Like, tapping just releases so many emotions. I've had sessions where we haven't even said anything. Like, I'm just talking about the tapping points and I'm, having the person just tap like on the side of the hand. And the minute they tap, they're like, tears like rolling down their cheeks. And they're like, what's happening? Is this normal? I'm like, yes, it is. You just haven't given time for yourself to feel these emotions, and they've been dying to be felt, and they've been dying to be expressed and like released. So be gentle with yourself, and I hope that you enjoyed that tapping. If you want to learn more about tapping, if you want to go deeper, more specific topics, definitely join my courses below. Become Magnetic is my signature course, but I also have a new course. It's called Magnetic Love Goddess, and that we specifically focus on rewiring relationship patterns and issues. So that is more of a relationship tapping, and that's a tapping bundle, so you can really tap on anything anytime. There's no really fixed structure to it. It's kind of like a tapping library, if you must. All right, thank you. Comment below, please. I would love to know how this tapping made you feel, and like and subscribe. Share this video to whoever you feel needs this. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.